You don't know who I am. You don't know what I want. If you're looking for customers, I can tell you I'm very interested in UHP summer tires. While I don't know what you offer yet, I do know this. I have a very particular set of requirements when it comes to my tires. These tires need to handle exceptionally well in dry and wet conditions, and I'd like to balance performance with reasonable ride quality and noise. If you're a shop looking to sell summer tires, it's important to know that customers looking for these tires have very specific needs. Let's talk about why, before recommending summer tires, you need to fully understand customer performance requirements. Unlike all-season or all-terrain tires built for diverse driving conditions, UHP summer tires are designed with one priority: dry and wet traction for performance driving. Lateral and longitudinal grip in dry and wet conditions are also important, which is achieved through optimized contact patches, high silica tread compounds, and circumferential grooves to channel water. Generally, the UHP summer tire tread design features large blocks and fewer grooves for more road surface contact on dry surfaces. The grooves are designed to channel water away from the tire, reducing the risk of hydroplaning on wet roads. The internal construction of UHP summer tires is also critical to their performance. You should explain to customers how reinforced carcass plies and belt packages help to resist heat and maintain stability at high speeds. Since UHP summer tires are so specialized, it's important to understand exactly what each customer wants from their tire. For casual performance drivers, traditional UHP summer tires may suffice. However, for track use or maximum grip demands, an even more focused maximum performance summer tire could be needed. Clear communication with customers is key when recommending UHP summer tires. Many customers may not be familiar with the technical features like tread patterns, compounds, and designs that contribute to the performance of UHP summer tires, so you should come prepared to highlight these benefits. It's also crucial to understand each customer's specific needs and desired qualities, as a summer UHP tire may not be the best choice for those seeking a substantial mileage warranty or those unwilling to swap tires seasonally. As tire categories continue to evolve, differentiating between UHP summer, UHP all-season, and Grand Touring all-season tires helps ensure customers focus solely on performance get a product that delivers. Customers may research products beforehand, so you should come ready to address questions on specific brands and models based on what the customer asks you. An informed sales approach tailored to each customer's performance expectations is key for successful UHP summer tire recommendations. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.